quarantine cuisine, so I love a good Mexican restaurant sangria. But unfortunately, with the stay-at-home order, I've been unable to go to my favorite spot. So today, I want to show you with a few simple ingredients, you can create a delicious sangria that'll go perfect with any taco night. Grab some wine, let's get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need a 1.5 liter bottle of wine. Today we are going to be using a Shiraz. A Merlot would work great with this as well. Any type of red that you have in your cupboard will work great. If you are not a red wine fan, feel free to use a white wine as well. Just make sure it's something sweet and not too dry. I have 2 blood oranges sliced. Any type of orange will work for this. These are what I had in my cupboard. You'll need 2 lemons sliced. You'll also need a half a cup of orange juice. You can either juice 2 oranges if you've got a bag of oranges, or I just used orange juice from the fridge already pre-squeezed. You'll need a half a cup of sugar. Then you'll need a half a cup of triple sec. You can also use Cointreau, or you could use a citrus vodka. Any sort of sweet citrusy liqueur will work great for this. What we're going to do first is we're going to take our citrus and put it into our pitcher. I'm actually using a drink dispenser just because it is a larger bottle of wine. If you're using a smaller bottle of wine, you can probably use a smaller pitcher. I'm using the nice big dispenser today. So we're going to drop our oranges in, drop our lemons in. And you're going to take your half cup of sugar, put that right on top. And then you're going to take a wooden spoon and you're going to macerate the oranges and lemons with the sugar. You can also, for this, use a muddler as well if you have that in your bar. It's easier for me with the wooden spoon. Release some of the juices and make sure that the sugar dissolves. Now we're going to add our half a cup of orange juice, our half a cup of triple sec, and then our wine. We're going to mix it all up. You want to now put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, no longer than 8 hours. The citrus will make it bitter if you leave it in the wine for a longer period of time than 8 hours. This is a great recipe to make when you get up in the morning. Put it in your fridge, and then by dinner time you have a delicious sangria. Feel free to use other fruits you have in your fridge. I always have citrus in the fridge, so this is what I decided to use. You could also use some berries, or apple is really popular in sangria. Whatever you like, make it yours. So we let our sangria chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Serve over ice, and it reminds me just of my favorite Mexican restaurant. For this recipe and more, go to our website, brewedandboozedfood.com. Head on over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us. Also, if you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon!